The mountain so high, the night sky above it, a change in my life, the peace that I know. Death of the cross, the grave that was empty, the things that you lost to console me. But to know the greatness of who you are, to do my best to understand, is like trying to empty the ocean to the palm of my hand. The faith of a child, the love of a father, the river so wide, the morning so still. The life of man, the cry of a baby, the grains of the sand, your thoughts about me. But to know the greatness of who you are, to do my best to understand, is like trying to empty the ocean to the palm of my hand. The rush of the wind, the pure white of snowfall, the blood that you shed,